Hi, welcome to Randy's Kitchen at Home. Every couple weeks I get a phone call from my beautiful girlfriend Jenny asking me, how do I do the steak? So this one's for you, baby. We got one sirloin steak here. We have tomatoes, thyme, garlic, onion, a little bit of Chianti from last night, some salt and pepper. Very easy, easily done. Picking a good cut of meat is always important. So let's bring it on over to the stove. Got a bit of salt, got some pepper. We're gonna flip it. Boom. Step one, hot pan. A little bit of lovely oils that we have here. Some leek oil going in. Make sure your pan is really hot. Steak going in. You want to hear that sizzle. If you don't hear that sizzle, take the steak back out, looking for that sear. Thyme going in. That's going to coat the oil and, more importantly, bring flavors to the steak. So a quick way that I was taught when I was younger on how to tell if a steak is good is by the hand and by the touch of your palm. You got rare right there. If you touch this finger, you got medium rare. You got medium, the firmness is keeping up. You got medium well, and you got well done. Now obviously I don't use that trick no more, but that's definitely a small guide to go to when you're at home. Definitely makes it a bit easier for the mediums out there. Lovely. That's the sear we're looking for. We're gonna put our onions on the side of this. Let those onions start cooking. The tomatoes are going in. Steak is gonna come off to the side, and we're gonna make the sauce. A little bit of Chianti wine in there. This is a bit of a red wine sauce. Don't be shy with it. Stir that around. All those lovely bits from the steak are gonna be in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put the steak back in there and let it brew with the sauce. This is gonna add loads of flavor. Flavor chamber going in there, loads of butter. Then we're just gonna, every once in a while, gonna braise the steak. Braise it along. Don't be scared to put the herbs on there and braise it. All that flavor is gonna go right through there, and it's gonna slowly cook. So, lovely steak we got. Now, the great thing about this steak here is you got everything in the pan. Add mushrooms to it. Add whatever you like to it. Lovely jus that's going over it. Sauce, add a little bit of roast potatoes. Lovely, just the way I like it. Going down the hatch. Lovely, medium rare. That's the way I like it, baby. Next time you're cooking, enjoy.